Hey, what's up everybody? Sam here. Today we are unboxing something big. Literally, this is the EKXBIKE T1. EKX, what does that even mean? No idea. But I do know that this is a 1000 watts 5-tire e-bike with a super cool motorcycle-inspired design, 4 suspension and top speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Is this the ultimate all-terrain e-bike? Let's find out. Wow. Ooh, that is well packaged. And that's it. That's everything included in the box. Now let's assemble it. La la la. Ooh. Ew. Now the front wheel. Haha, perfect. Now let's move to the next. Oh yeah! That's it. Just like that. All right. The headlight. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. And last, the rear shock absorber. All right. Yeah. That's the rear shock absorber. Let me just. That's comfortable. The pedals. Woo! And finally, we install the battery. As you can see, it's removable. It comes with 2 keys right here. And before you install the battery, I have to warn you, when you put the battery onto this rack, you have to use the key to lock. You see? This latch will lock tightly to the hole here. And that's it. Lock it tight before you turn it on. Turn on. Long press to turn on. Ooh, you see? The screen lights up. And let's check. Yeah, and that's it. And that's the installation. And stay tuned for my detailed review later. Now, let's take a closer look at this beast.